Hello, good evening. I'm Cherry here. Today we look at the Singapore market, stock market 2021 chances. As 2020 December half month passed already, and now it's December 16 today. So we have only half month left for the year 2020, but we still have chance in the stock market. Now, the most important for us is we should make the conclusion for this year and make the plan for the next year. How should we do the stocks? Do short term, mid term, or long term? Which sector, which share we should consider? So these few days we look at the markets one by one. Singapore, Malaysia, Hong Kong, US, and we look at one by one. So today is mainly focused on Singapore market. This video here is only my personal view with Homilychart analysis. So all the index and the individual share analysis is only my personal view, not for recommendations. And every one of us, we should be responsible for our own trading. Okay, so after the talk, if you have anything not clear, and if you want to know more about Homilychart, please feel free to contact me, the WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube channel, and don't forget to click the subscribe. So every day, every trading day, we can meet here for the market latest movement analysis. So first we look at here, this is the Singapore market FSSTI, the yearly chart. Yearly chart means one candle stands for 1 year. The year beginning, open price. The year end, close price. In the year, the highest price and the lowest price. So we also have this 4 price to form this candlestick. The high, the low, the open, and the close. For STI, we see here, this candle is 2020. We homily come Singapore is 2009. 2009, a very good year. At the end of 2009, we come in Singapore, and 2010 this year continue rising, but 2011 pull back, 2012 continue, 2013 pull back, 2014 rise, 2015 pull back, and then rise back. So nearly from the yearly chart, we can find in the past 10 years, the rules is like this. If drop only 1 year, and then it will have some kind of rebound, maybe have some big rise or some small rise, like this year, 2019, but rise, right? So if the market have rise and we buy long, we have chance. We sell short, we look at the downtrend, the bearish down, no problem. But we just take buy long, for example, in the past 10 years for Singapore market, usually only 1 year bearish down, and then the next year will have very big rebound. 1 year pullback, the next year bullish up. 1 year pullback, the next year bullish up. So this is the rules for Singapore market in the past 10 years movement. See, this year, 2020, the market pulled back, and the next year, from based on the probability, we have the higher probability to big rise in the next year. So in the coming 2021, in Singapore stock market, we should have some chance. And also, we look at the shadow one. So if the lower shadow is longer, the lower shadow means in the year the price hit very low, but at the year end the price pull back, so close at a very high level compared with the low price. So every year after the lower, bigger shadow, and the next year it will big rise. So after this lower, bigger shadow, next year we also may have very big rise, very big rebound. So this is from the yearly chart. And now we know in the coming 2021 for Singapore market, we have chance. But then it will be the first half or the second half. So let's look at this chart. This chart is a half-year chart, half-year candlestick. So means one candle stand for half year. So we also make statistic in the past 10 years movement. In the past 10 years STI movement, we make the statistic and then we can get the rules. We follow the rules and then we know what to do in the next year. Okay. So here we see this big yin candlestick. The red color means this half year is drop. So 2008, the first half year drop, the second half year big drop, and we see that the second candlestick, the red bar is much bigger than the previous one. But you check the volume here. As the volume is increasing, so volume here, the color is the same as the candlestick. So if the candlestick is green, the volume also green. If the candlestick is red, the volume also red. Volume means somebody buy, somebody sell, they make a deal. So there will be the volume. See, the price is so big drop, but the volume increasing. So we can only see as the price lower and lower, some bankers, some institutional fund come back to cash bottom to collect the chips. So the next half year, 2009, the first half year big rise, and 2009 the second half year continue and nearly rise back to the high of the big drop, to the high of this candle. So this is the year 2009, the bullish rising. It continue to 2010, rising 2 years. And for the year 2011, the first half year drop, the second half year big drop, and the red candle is much bigger than the previous one, but we check volume also increasing. The price continue hit new low, but the volume increasing. So that's the problem, that's the question. So this one counts, means the price continue going down, but more and more people buy, and also more and more people sell. Sell usually is the retail investor. They cannot stand for the long term for so big drop, so they sell. But the banker collect the chips at the lower price. With the lower price at the lower place, the banker come, the big fish come collect the chips. So 2012 whole year rising, and another year, and also 2 years rising. And we come again is 2015 the second half, and also 2016 the first half. These two, this also drop. From here we see 2015 the first half small drop, but 2015 the second half year big drop. This red candlestick also much more bigger than the previous half year, but the volume also enlarged. So the volume also bigger and increasing. So the same logistic. So means the market going down 1.5 years already. For retail investors, they cannot stand. They sell, they left the market, but the banker get the cheaper chips at the lower area. So the 2016, the second half, and the 2017, the market continue rising 1.5 years. And also, this time nearly cover the big red candlestick, and this year's also cover and more than rebound, break up this red candlestick. So we see this year 2019 the second half year the market drop, 2020 the first half year bigger drop even much than 2019, the second half year. And also this year, 2020, the second half year have some rebound. But according to the past 4 times, see, every time this year also currently the volume also increase. You see, in the past 4 times, every time the volume increase. So after that, the market will have at least 1 year and may rise 1.5 years or more than 2 years, and at least will cover the big drop, will rebound to the high of the red candle, or even break up. These 2 times break up both. So for the coming 2021, in the first half year, or maybe in the first quarter, the candlestick may rebound and cover to the red candle, the high of the red candle. So this level is around 3,250, and now the price is for STI is 2,800. So it means in the next half year, we at least have 400 points to rise. So this is for Singapore market. The probability is pretty high according to the history statistic. See, if the next half year, the market have big rise, after the small rebound finish, a small correction finish, the market continue rising, and it may cover the red candle. It's around 3,200. But the next question is, which kind of sector or which kind of individual shares should we consider? Okay, so now we come back to the chart. We look at the individual share movement. So we see here you see the level. I just put in the maps here. The price here is around 3,250. Here the white color here is 3,250. So means in the next half year it will pull back here. And then we go to the daily chart. We look at the market movement currently. So here 2860, this very important support and resistance level. So currently just move around this level, break up, break down, no big rise, no big drop. But once break up, this point is around 2,900, 2,900. Once break up this level, and then we have more space to go. So this is the STI, and we see the blue chips for Singapore market. If the STI bullish rising, we mainly look at the blue chips. See, we go to here, you can extract. We just go to Singapore market SGX, and then we click the system sector. See, if you only want to look at the financial sector, the technology sector, the healthcare sector, even the telecommunication sector, we can click and open. So all this sector will list here. And now we look at the member of STI. So here we got 33 shares of the member of STI. If the index continue rising, so this is our first choice for the big rising and make big profits. So this is our best choice. First, let's look at some bank share for DBS, and then we call our rainbow lines. Tell us bull, bear, and also multicolored dragon tell us the money flow. So for DBS, currently we see the bottom catch signal. We open Taiji signal. Taiji signal can tell us bottom catch and the top escape. The bottom catch signal appear on the March, and then next one is here, March. And this one is August beginning. this one is September 23rd. September 23rd. So we have 3 times to catch bottom for DBS. And then the price break up all the rainbow lines. So the price continue rising, very big rebound. Even here from $20 rise to $25. But currently the problem is here. The money, the red bar break down purple line, and the red bar is below purple line, and the purple line turning down. So the price will continue sideways inside the yellow Taiji signal. The resisting level is around 25.8. The yellow Taiji signal, the high. So if the price can break up the high of the yellow top alert Taiji signal, we have more space to go. So for mid-long term investment, mid-long term, after correction finish, it may have the probability to break up the history new high. But for short term, trade days cannot hit new high, or the price cannot break down the low of previous candlestick. We can after already for short term. And now we just wait for the next chance. The green line still above. So the price for DBS still got life. Just wait for the red bar break up purple line, or we just wait for the price break up, and then it will have another wave for UOB, OCBC, or the Frencken. And then we look at another share. This one is the PropNex. For the property shares, also can refer to our talks before, like the capital land, city development, all belong to the property shares. For this currently still very strong, and for this one, hit new high already, hit new high. So the price move above all the rainbow lines, and the most part more than 50% red bar, no green bar appear, so means no locked chips. For this kind of share, every time the short-term correction finish and the first red circle appear, first red circle appear, first red circle appear, it all will be our next time to increase position or to consider. So we know how to do for this kind of share. Very strong. Strong will be stronger. And all strong shares looks like this. Short term, mid term, long term, all upward turning. And more than 50% big fish here. So every time the short term correction finish, the red bar appear, it will be our another chance. But not enough. Okay, not enough. As this wave rise so much already, it may pull back. See, turn to white circle, have some pullback. If the price pull back around the green line and turn to red circle again, it will be our another chance. So we always look at the first red circle. First red circle. This wave 28 days rise 23% already. So a bad notch is high. So this is one kind, strong will be stronger. And another kind, this one also very strong, like Japfa, but not hit the history new high yet. The history new high still will be the next resistance around 97.8, and currently the close price is around 90. So still have some space to go. We just see the red bar. If the red bar continue rising, so the price will continue hit new high and continue break up. But whenever the red bar break down purple line, or whenever the red bar smaller, for short term can take profits already, or we see the yellow over bought top alert signal appear, for short term we can take profit for Japfa. And Frencken, like the Frencken, AEM, High P, Venture, all these technology shares, we also should have some chance. But currently for Frencken, we just see the previous high $1.25 can break up or not. $1.25. If it can break up this level, it have more space to go. But if it pull back, the support is around $1.10. $1.10. So currently may have some pullback at the previous high resistance $1.25. cents, and today close is $1.22 already. So if we can break up $1.25, we have more space to go. See, high P, also very strong share. So for this kind of technology shares, the only thing we should mind is the previous high resistance. So for high P is $1.83. If we can break up this level, it means testing another high around $2, even the history high $2.60. But all have the potential as the trend is very beautiful. Small pullback and rise right away, and the money very strong to support the price rising. Okay, so this is the technology shares. So the blue chips, the bank shares, the technology shares we can all consider. And also in Singapore, we have a lot of shares nearly dark horse point, like Yangjiang, like Yuma Strategy, a lot of individual shares like this kind. So after the platform 31 cents, the platform break up and also the white line thing up, we also have another wave. See the dark horse point, this wave from the blue signal to the yellow signal, this wave it rise to 82%, and we just follow the signal, cat bottom, top alert, and then after the correction finish, it may rise at least the same. So here the correction finish, and then if rising at least 80% and maybe much more, much longer. So this is the rules of the stock market. And in Singapore, the dark horse shares, dark horse point, this kind of shares we have a lot. And the strong will be stronger shares we also have a lot. So for all members, you just use our Homilychart to filter. See, if you want the strong shares, you use the uptrend. So means the short term, mid term, long term all rising. If you want the dark horse point, you check here dark horse point, just click filter, so it will scan automatically for us all the potential shares or all the stronger shares. For members, we can do from this chart. And for new friends, if you still don't have a Homilychart, you won't know how it works, or you won't know which groups the strong shares including, and which group the shares included in the dark horse point, you can also contact Teacher Cherry 96469682 to get more infos. We can do the one-to-one coaching online demo, or we can meet at the City Hall B Central East District Center. Okay, so this is the Singapore market, and today we will finish here. For any further inquiries, just feel free to contact Teacher Cherry. Okay, we see you tomorrow. Good night.